Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. So by now you must have probably heard about the Galaxy Note 9 and that how is it just a Galaxy S9 Plus with an extra SPen. And this is kind of true but at the same time also not true. So yeah, basically the Note 9 is indeed a Galaxy S9 Plus with a SPen, but there is much more to it than just the SPen. The Galaxy Note 9 is rumored to feature a ultra-wide 150-degree fisheye lens as the front camera as shown us by the Samsung patents. It's much wider as compared to the wide-angle lens used by LG on their LG V30 and G7. The fisheye lens will allow us to capture much more wider field of view, and also making this new camera appear on the Galaxy Note 9 makes a whole lot of sense. Last year's Galaxy Note 8 had the upper hand over the Galaxy S8 by having dual rear cameras, and the front camera of the Galaxy phones haven't changed since the Galaxy S8. So this is about the right time to upgrade the cameras of the Galaxy Note 9, and this way the Note 9 can also have an upper hand over the Galaxy S9. The Galaxy Note 9 might also feature an in-display fingerprint scanner. Everything about the Note 9 has been finalized except the fingerprint scanner. Recently, a new patent from Samsung has appeared and it gives us a look on the fingerprint scanner itself. It's not a huge scanner by any means, like the Vivo full bezel phone, I don't remember the name right now. Yeah, Vivo Apex phone, I remember now. So it's not as big, it's a small scanner, but it will read your thumb from many different positions. And this is indeed the same synaptic sensor which was recently used by Vivo, and there are also other companies which can provide Samsung the in-display fingerprint scanner, but for sure Samsung will choose the best one. The fingerprint scanner works the same as it did on the Vivo phones. It uses the light emitted by the OLED displays to see through pixels and read the fingerprints. This one is somewhat of a user manual for the fingerprint scanner. It says we can change the color and the brightness of the touch area, and if you wanna read all this stuff, you can pause the video right now. Ice Universe also uploaded some renders of the Galaxy Note 9 with the caption that Samsung was lazy in 2018, and I concluded that Galaxy Note 9 will not change much. And I also think that Galaxy Note 9 won't be a huge difference externally, but as I said, internals are changed. And talking of changes, the Galaxy Note 9 will also feature a bigger battery. It will feature a battery around 3800 as compared to the 3500 present on the Galaxy S9 Plus. Some leaked Geekbench scores of the Galaxy Note 9 has also appeared on internet. Boy, I wish these are real. The processor 9815 doesn't even exist. And there are also some silly mistakes like the RAM is never written in GB, it's always written in MBs, so it is completely a fake leak. The Galaxy Note 9 is also expected to bring some more updates on the SPen and some minor updates here and there. So guys, the Galaxy Note 9 is couple of months away and we will soon find out that will it feature the in-display fingerprint scanner or not. I will cover everything about the Galaxy Note 9, so make sure to subscribe for that, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace out.